Bad habits often exert a powerful allure because they provide immediate gratification, tapping into our brain's reward system with quick dopamine hits, whether it's scrolling endlessly on social media, indulging in junk food, procrastination, or succumbing to vices like smoking or excessive gaming, offering instant pleasure, relief from boredom, or escape from stress without requiring effort or delayed payoff. In contrast, good habits such as regular exercise, healthy eating, consistent reading, disciplined work routines, or practicing kindness and integrity demand upfront sacrifice, patience, and self-control. With their benefits, improved health, sharper mind, stronger relationships, long-term success, and inner peace unfolding gradually over weeks, months, or years, making them feel less seductive in the moment. This asymmetry explains why bad things frequently seem far more attractive. They align with our primal instincts for short-term survival and pleasure in an evolutionary environment of scarcity. Exploiting cognitive biases like hyperbolic discounting, where we irrationally overvalue immediate rewards while undervaluing future ones. However, the consequences of bad habits are insidious and compounding. They erode physical health, mental clarity, financial stability, and personal character, often leading to regret, dependency, diminished opportunities, and a cascade of negative outcomes that can trap individuals in cycles of guilt and decline. Good habits and moral choices rooted in virtues like discipline, honesty, responsibility, and empathy may carry high consequences in the short-term social friction. Missed fleeting pleasures, internal resistance, or external criticism from a world that often celebrates hedonism, but they build resilience, self-respect, and sustainable fulfillment. Morality isn't just abstract idealism, it functions as a high-consequence strategy for long-term thriving, fostering trust, meaningful connections, and personal growth that bad habits systematically undermine. Ultimately, the battle between bad and good habits reveals a profound truth about human nature. Freedom lies not in yielding to every impulse, but in cultivating the wisdom and willpower to choose the harder right over the easier wrong, transforming temporary discomfort into enduring strength and a life of genuine purpose.